Cheers! 1, 2, 3, cheers! Good morning. Day 4. Had a beautiful sleep. Woke up to quite a few mosquitoes in the tent, which was pretty obnoxious considering I spent a good portion of the time killing the ones that were trying to get in before I went to sleep, but it is what it is. Got a beautiful lake here. Yeah, we're just gonna make some coffee first. Before anything else happens, we need to make coffee. So let's do that. That's part of waking up. Folgers in your cup.
And really, we can go up on the road up there, kind of make a semicircle, take some pics.
Well, let's be honest. The purpose of coming up here was the dunes, right?
Yep.
Although we didn't see them, they're still 65 kilometers away. So my fuel is kinda, I mean, I got my 20 gallons, but if I'm at half a tank, I know Jared's gonna be at half a tank, and if Jared's at half a tank, then I know fucking Dylan's gonna be at half a tank.
Double check with Jeremy.
Yeah, see what he's at for fuel. Jay, you still got that whipped cream?
Yeah, I got whipped. Coffee and Johnson is one big curtain of cold cream. They just glue.
Oh, so it glue, so you can't even, it doesn't even dissolve in coffee?
No. I told my wife that. She started laughing. So no, sorry man. Been whipped. At least I know for next time. No whipped cream.
Yeah. All right, guys, here we are. Morning of day 4. We are just south of the Richardson Dunes. We didn't make it all the way to the Athabasca Dunes because we are limited by fuel. And I don't even know if you can hear me, but there are crazy amounts of black sandflies around that have just been tormenting us. So we're gonna get on the road. Awesome day, guys, awesome day. Hey, we had a couple of guys just pull out of here. Maybe they tried going down the ice road. Looked like a Land Rover Discovery pulling a trailer. Guess they decided not to go down the sand roads. Sucker. Sand everywhere.
I mean, everywhere. Everywhere.
See, you gotta take the mattress out and beat it.
I've been talking to this camera now for 5 days in a row. Feels a little weird. Anyway, we're at Island Lake right now, and it really is an island lake. It's absolutely stunning. Everyone's making lunch or supper. I'm gonna make up some noodles because my meat went bad, so maybe I do need to buy a fridge. Yeah, we're gonna have a pretty chill night here. I think what's gonna happen is we're going to make some supper, and then we're gonna watch a movie. We're gonna do a little theater here in the bush. and after that, to hang out. We're thinking we might stay here for a couple of days actually, because last 5 days have been pretty. It's been a big push. Hold on here, I gotta put my stuff in the. We're just doing a nice, quick and easy supper tonight, because like I said, my meat went bad. Bring it down to a simmer. And yeah, but that's our view, guys. Look at that. Something else, eh? Something else. Yum. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is supper tonight. And it ended up being a hell of a lot nicer than it was going to be, because Jason made a lot of bacon. So what we have is chipotle shells, seashells, with some bacon on it. Smoked bacon, nonetheless. This is going to be delicious. Oh, thanks, Jay.
No problem, sir.
Made it way better. Oh, you know what? Where's my sriracha?
This could be something new.
Oh yeah. We gotta save a piece of bacon for chocolate, apparently.
See, I was thinking about you. That's why I give you that extra piece.
Appreciate it, buddy. I've never seen a forest so full of birch. Like, it's crazy.
It's different, isn't it?
It's birch as far as the eye can see.
Yeah.
That's what I miss about home, though. It's all the black fucking spruce.
Black spruce, yeah.
And then the whole forest is moss.
Super soft. Man, I bet you bush camping out there is super easy.
Oh yeah.
Just go out with a sleeping bag. That's what we did on the way back from the BC Overland Rally. Jared and I, we left not like horribly late. Like after I won those prizes, we basically just booked it because we had a lot of miles to go. Pull into this one campsite, and I had my DIY rooftop tent, which like super comfortable, right? But it's a pain in the ass to set up. And I was like, I'm not gonna do that. Pitched the tarp right on the ground. Put a sleeping bag on it. Went to sleep. It was epic.
Because they would have to sign.